Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason.
I'm Julie.
And we're Destination Full-Time. And this is the Monday Mixer. What is going on this week?
Well, we've got all kinds of stuff going on.
But first, before we do anything else, I gotta show you what we're doing right this minute. And right this minute, we're cooking ribs. I gotta show you. Let's go to the smoker. That's looking good. They still got a long ways to go, but they're gonna be good when they get off.
Well, hello, Jason.
Sorry, that's been on my mind because I can smell the smoke.
Oh, it smells so good.
What's going on?
Well, we have the Florida RV Super Show coming up. It is going to be January 17th through the 21st. If you have not made plans to attend, try to be there if you can. If not, we actually want to know what RVs you'd like to see, and we'd be more than happy to find those RVs and do a tour for you. So if you can't come, make sure and let us know what you want to see.
And we're going to be doing some tours anyway, so
yes,
look on our social media because we'll be doing some quick walkthroughs. And I'll put those social media all on the screen right now so you can see all of our links. We're on all of them, so you know, whichever one you prefer, we'll put them on all of them.
If you do plan to be at the Florida RV Super Show, let us know how many days you plan on attending. That would be good to know. And also, do you want to meet? We are going to be having...
All right. So, changing plans. We're not going to record outside because the guy across the street decided to start blaring music. So, we shifted inside, called an audible because we can't hear outside. Now he's fired up his motorcycle, so
awesome.
It's even louder. So, anyway.
Part of being in a
what were
RV
we saying?
Park.
Yeah, what were we saying?
If they do plan to... How many days were they going to be there?
Yeah, we're camping there, so we'll be there all week.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And we have some... I've been busy working on some exciting giveaways.
All right, so that's the Tampa RV show.
Yes. We have had a busy week. The truck is in the shop getting fixed because... Why, Jason?
Because I went and played golf one time that my buddy couldn't drive, and I drove, and I got a golf ball dent right in the door.
Right, so we've been driving a 2023 Toyota Corolla, and I feel like I'm sitting on the ground.
It's horrible.
I
would never own a car after driving trucks for so long.
No, I desperately want the dually back. Can you believe that? Remember when I wouldn't even drive it?
Yeah, I remember when you were scared to drive it. This would have been your dream to have a week of being able to have a car. And now you don't want the car because you feel like you're about to be ran over.
I do. I feel very, very nervous on the road. I feel very unsafe driving up and down the interstate. I've had to go, you know, now that we're in Florida, we're establishing doctors and going to all these appointments. So I've been busy with that, having to drive a lot, and I don't like it.
Yeah, it's horrible.
I want the dually back, stat.
All right, well, like I said last week, we had some maintenance to do this week. We did the hot water heater anode replacement. Really didn't find anything surprising. It was pretty...
It wasn't as bad as the time before.
No, it was actually more there than the first time we changed it out about a year ago. We actually waited, I think it was 10 months since we've changed it, but you know, it wasn't in bad shape, and everything went back together. We did clear out quite a bit of sediment out of the hot water heater and pieces of the anode, obviously, but yeah, everything good, back together, working great. So, maintenance done.
So, last week we were not able to tell you what the video was about because Jason hadn't decided yet which video he was putting out as he was still working on editing.
Yeah, and if you didn't watch it, which a lot of people didn't, I guess nobody likes the president.
I think everybody is over the presidential everything, and we did make it very non-political. It was just more informational and a fun place to go. But yeah, I think that the reason we didn't get a lot of views is everybody's kind of tired of the president election and all that.
I made a great presidential address in the opening, so if you don't watch the whole thing, at least go check that out.
Yeah, that was pretty cute.
Yeah.
That was pretty cute. So this week's episode is gonna be pretty cool. We are interviewing somebody very special. He is a very well-known person in the RV industry.
And on YouTube.
And very well known on YouTube as well. And he's going to be sharing some exciting information with all of you. So be sure and click the notification bell so that you know when this video comes out. But it is going to be...
It's a good one.
It's going to be hilarious. And let me just tell you, that was probably the most fun I ever had filming with Jason and someone else. Yep. It was so great. So you guys cannot miss that video. You will love it. And you will be laughing the whole time.
I will say one thing that we didn't talk about last week was projects. And that was being covered up with command strips. I have touched so many command strips in the last week.
The Velcro kind, yeah.
Yeah, we're kind of redoing some of the stuff that we used to put out on top of our ledges. Finished product, not quite there yet, but it will be soon. And I have had to use a lot of command strips to just put them up because I don't want to take them down and pack them away every time we move.
Well, I'm the one that packs them away, so we're making it easy. Right, we're making it easier on him and me. I don't have to pack it up.
You don't have to touch it.
Yes, it just stays on the wall whether the slides are in or out. So, yes, I've had to make more runs in the little tiny scooter to go get more Velcro strips. So he is buried in Velcro strips. He's having a ball with that.
Yes, it's so much fun.
We'll show you all of that very soon.
Yep, so hey, this is the Monday Mixer. Appreciate y'all joining us. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Again, we didn't get a lot of questions this last week. We do have some, though, but we just haven't got into them yet. Probably won't get into them next week either because there's so many updates just going on around the Tampa show and everything. Next week,
the RV Super Show.
Yes, RV Super Show. Don't call it the Tampa Show. You'll get in trouble.
You will.
But anyway, we will be there next Sunday, won't we? Right outside of it. Yeah.
Yep, we'll be in Largo on Sunday and Monday, and then Tuesday we're going to go over to the fairgrounds to start our camping and hanging out and doing all the fun stuff.
Yep.
So and going to all the meetups and stuff.
Yep. As well. So if you're there, check us out. We'll want to meet everybody, and until next week, we hope that you guys find your next
destination.
Thanks for watching. Have a great week.
And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.